I am on top of my log cabin log pile, and what I'm doing is I'm going to bring a couple over to our neighbor with the sawmill and see if he can slice them down the width, because I want to get some log skins for my log headboard. I don't want to use the whole logs. Kind of a waste of that wood. So I have 3 8-footers of those logs from that smokehouse, and I'm going to see if our neighbor with the sawmill can slice them in half. They're about 3.5 to 4 inches thick. They're all about 7 inches wide. This one's a little bit narrower. But this will be the headboard, and what I want, instead of using the entire log, which would really be a waste, I want to see if he can cut them in half so I can put skins and put them up against the wall. So it would probably need about 6, so these 3 should work just fine. I'm going to cut off all these ends here, unfortunately. I'm going to save them though, for something. I'm not sure what. And then I just got to get rid of any nails that might still be in them. They are all solid white oak. I mean, you know, they have some rod in them and some splits. I'm not sure when he cuts it this way, you know, some of them may actually fall apart into 2 long pieces. If that's the case, as long as I have the 2 pieces, I can just put them back together against the wall. I don't think I'm going to put any chinking between them. They didn't have any because it was a smokehouse. And they somehow got every one of them tight up against the other. But I don't know. We'll see once. Maybe it'll look better if it did have some chinking in it. So I'm going to trim off the ends, wand them for nails, and then head on over there. Headed over to our neighbor, and gosh, that air conditioning sure feels good today. Let's go for a ride. So we have Zeb's dad here supervising. I'm filming and Zeb's doing the work. Just like I planned it. We're just wondering when you're going to put it on wheels so I can bring it back with me and go back and forth.
I thought about that.
Put it on a trailer.
Right? You provide the trailer and we'll do it. Okay?
Oh, hey, Joe's got tons of them.
I think it's broke. Uh-huh.
Well, that was a big success. I brought an extra just in case we needed to do that one. So good. I'm glad we didn't have to cut that. But I got several of the skins. They're different thicknesses because, you know, these boards were not, or logs were not square, but that's fine. And then we even got some bonus, I think they're 3/4 inch boards, 1 inch. And you can't see them right now, but they were all half log. So, or center log. So these are all quarter sawn. They're gonna have some beautiful wavy marks in them. I do want to pressure wash them and then get them out to dry. And one step closer. Thanks, Deb.